Brooke Van Sickle from Petrogas Angels gagawin ang lahat ng kaniyang makakaya upang mapabagsak ang Creamline. Phenom Alyssa Valdez mapagkumbaba pa din kahit marami nang nagsusulputan ng mga magagaling. Pero bago natin pag-usapan ang lahat ng yan, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified whenever I post a new video. Phil-Am recruit ng Petrogas na si Brooke Van Sickle, layunin na mapataob ang Creamline Coal Smashers sa paparating na 2024 Premier Volleyball League First All-Filipino Conference na magsisimula na sa darating na February 20. Nabanggit din niya na mag-execute sila ng strategies and techniques para mas maging effective ang kanilang game plan upang maisahan nila ang defending champions na Coal Smashers kapag nagharap na sila sa elimination round. Naging mainit-init din ang kanyang statement recently during the PVL Media Day na tila may pagbabanta sa CCS. Aniya, yeah, they are unbeaten the whole tournament and I don't care, it is what it is. Good for them that they are undefeated the entire tournament. That's just to show how hard the PVL is. It also shows that we have to take things seriously and keep working hard because we don't know what's gonna happen. Be more aggressive. We are trying to take them down. Dagdag pa niya. Sa kakatapos nga lang na Philippine National Volleyball Federation or PNVF Champions League, pinangunahan ni Van Sickle ang opensa ng PGA kaya napataob nila ang Signal HD Spikers sa winner-take-all match in the finals. Inamin din niya na hindi naman sila nape-pressure na mapantayan ang kanilang tagumpay sa PNVF Champions League. Ngunit pinayuhan niya pa din ang kanyang mga teammates na maging consistent lang sa kanilang mga laro. Sabi pa niya, I don't feel any pressure. Like I said, my goal as a player is to be consistent. That's all I want to do. Going into the PVL, I am excited. I am very excited, not stressed at all. We have to be as consistent as possible. I want to be there for my teammates just as I want them to be there for me. Dagdag pa niya. Samantala, Alyssa Valdez mapagkumbaba namang sinabi na magiging kakaiba nga daw ang upcoming PVL First All-Filipino Conference 2024 na talaga napapa-excite sa kanya kaya abang-abang na lang daw kung ano ang mangyayari sa mga darating na araw. Kung kayo ang tatanungin, sapat na ba ang achievement ng Petrogas Angels sa PNVF Champions League upang mapataob ang defending champions na Creamline Coal Smashers? I-comment nyo lang sa baba ang mga nais nyong sabihin and thank you so much for watching. Huwag nyo po kalimutan mag-subscribe sa aking channel to be in the know about the latest snippets regarding Premier Volleyball League. Bye!